Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to import NFT to Metamask wallet. Metamask does not automatically import your NFTs by default. If you want to display your NFTs in your Metamask wallet, you need to manually import them. Don't worry, it's a simple process. Follow this step-by-step guide to successfully import your NFTs into your Metamask wallet. First of all, log into your Metamask wallet. Open your Metamask extension or mobile app and log in using your password or biometric authentication. Then connect to the correct blockchain. Ensure that you are connected to the right blockchain network where your NFT is stored. If your NFT is on the Polygon blockchain, switch to Polygon using the network dropdown in Metamask. Now navigate to the NFTs tab. Click on your account icon, locate and open the NFTs tab. Click on import NFTs to proceed. Now enter NFT contact address and token ID. Contract address, the smart contract address of the NFT collection. Token ID, the unique identifier assigned to your specific NFT. Now import the NFT. After entering the details, double check that the current contract address and token ID are correct. Click on import, wait for a moment, and your NFT should now be visible in your MetaMask wallet under the NFTs tab. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily import your NFTs into your MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching.